Hello dear friends, today we have a very aromatic chicken. For my recipe I will use some Greek yogurt, cashews, orange, milk cream and coconut milk and nice garlic. Let's start together and we turn on the fire. We chop our garlic. Olive oil in a casserole and we saute our chicken. Salt, pepper, orange zest and orange juice. In this part we add our Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, it will help us to make our chicken creamy. Our sauce with the chicken is creamy, and this part we put nice raw cashews. Our food is ready, we turn off the fire. We serve on a plate. I will chop some fresh parsley and I will try my aromatic chicken.